Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you are watching this, who knows. Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Simon B here. I keep saying that and I'm thinking, well, who else will it be? Might surprise you one day, it might be somebody else. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago I put a couple of social media posts up of we bought a new bike. Some people saw it and some people commented on it, and I bet you've all been itching and waiting to find out what motorbike I've bought. Isn't this exciting? So I bet you're all itching to find out. So let's go and have a look, shall we? So it's not in the garage, it's just outside at the moment. Now come and look at this beauty. Tell me what you think of this. Look at this. So then YouTubers, what do you think about that then, eh? First originally introduced in 1984, this is a 1986 edition. Still got the drum brakes on it. A Suzuki TS125X. Now when was the last time you saw one of them? Why did I want one? Well, this was a game changer, wasn't it? Do you remember when these came out in 1984? The original TS-ER that's in the garage was somewhere around about 12 to 14 horsepower. This thing, when it came out, was 22.3. It nearly doubled its horsepower, and that was just sort of game changing. This thing, I believe, did around about 70 mile an hour, but look at it, isn't it rather nice? So a few specs on it is 290mm ground clearance. They call this the Super Enduro for some reason, I don't know why. It weighs 100 kilos. 124cc liquid cooled, because that was the difference between the last model and this one. It went liquid cooled. 18.6 newton meters of torque, 22 horsepower at 8,000 rpm, 6-speed. Like I say, yeah, I'm just looking at the old advertisement, the old advertising literature, and they call it the Super Enduro. As you can see, it's based on the RM, and the RM, I think, in the same year, somebody will correct me, I don't know this by fact, but I think around about 1984, everything went liquid cooled. Just a complete game changer. A mate of mine bought one of these brand new, and my brother bought it off him, I think 2, possibly 3 years later. I had my 350 LC at the time, and my brother had one of these, and these things were quick, absolutely were very quick, and I've been looking everywhere for them. Down in Barrow-in-Furness we have Martin Crooks, who's well known in the Suzuki establishment for racing parts and etc, and I spoke to him, must have been around about 6 or 8 months ago, and asked him, do you know anybody who's got a TS125X for sale? And he says, I've never seen one of those for sale for around about 15 years. And he didn't have one sat in his lock-up or warehouse, which he usually has, and he has a few bikes in there. But this popped up. So, who would like to hear it? Start it up, because this thing sounds awesome. Okay, no work with children and animals. Two-stroke motorbikes. Let's have a take 2. Sound well. smoking a little bit because I ran out of fuel yesterday and I put a bit of pre-mixed 2-stroke out of my trail bike, so but yeah, who's ever had one of these? There's a sticker missing which I can get sorted, which isn't really a problem. The spring's gone a bit rusty, but the original 6,427 miles from new. Full MOTs with it showing that amount of mileage, and yeah, and it's even got its original toolkit. There you go, YouTubers, what you think about that? Bit of a bonny bike, isn't it? Huh? I'm becoming a bit of a hoarder, no, a bit of a collector. Like I said, the TS125X has been on my cards for quite some time. Took me a while to find it. Like I said, it popped up on Facebook. I went straight on and bought it and got it shipped up. Pleased with it now. Want some work doing to it and some bits doing to it, but we'll get that sorted. If you like that video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget, please do us a favour. I'll be humbled if you do. Click that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification, which is usually 7:30 on a Saturday morning. So if you're out there riding, be safe, keep safe and stay safe. Be careful out there. All you subscribers and all you non-subscribers, thanks very much for watching. And as they say, we'll see you soon.